Now it looks like the Income Tax Department wants to keep a watch on your foreign travel spends, also your electricity bill payments, and if you have a house, then they want to know if you've given it out on rent, and they want all the details of your tenant as well. The Income Tax Department has already issued ITR-1 and ITR-4 forms for assessment year 2020-21. And there are some changes over there that we think you should know about. Let's find out what those are. My colleague Ashna Mishra has been on top of this story. She's joining us from Delhi. Ashna, if you can tell us what you're hearing about this, because additional details. There is that much more that a taxpayer will need to share with the Income Tax Department, least of which is going to be details about passport. They want to track all your foreign travels as well. What can you tell us?
Well, that's right. The Income Tax Department has already come out with the ITR-1 as well as ITR-4 forms for the assessment year 2020-21, which means the financial year 19-20, which is already ongoing. Now, if we talk about the key changes that everyone or viewers should be aware of, I will list out the very important changes. First, beginning with those with respect related to ITR-1 form. So here there are three important things that our viewers must know when it comes to ITR-1 form. As for this fiscal year or the assessment year 2020-21, the ITR-1 form will not be valid for those who have incurred rupees 2 lakhs on foreign travel. Apart from that, the ITR-1 form will also not be valid on individuals who have deposited 2 crore rupees in their current bank accounts. Third, again, a very important thing for those individuals who have paid close to 1 lakh rupees with in as their electricity bill payment. Again, they are also not valid for ITR-1 form while filing for their returns for this fiscal year. Apart from that, the individual taxpayers this time around can also not file their returns both in case of ITR-1 as well as ITR-4. In both the cases, they cannot file return if they are a joint owner of any house property. Another important thing, like you already mentioned, is with respect to the passport details. Looks like the Income Tax Department now also wants to ensure how much you are spending on your foreign travels, as they also seek details of your passport in both the forms. In ITR form, in fact, they also ask you to specify the amount that you have spent on a foreign travel in case it's more than 2 lakh rupees. Other than that, other than that, this of course the passport numbers has to be shared. These are the very important details that we have noticed that are changing from this fiscal year, going on from this fiscal year.